Mule Runtime, APIkit Anatomy, SOAP Studio project. Here you can see the SOAP Studio project in APIkit Anatomy in Mule Runtime. The SOAP interface, the interface defined by WSDL file exposes the number of services. Each service has a set of operations. Underlying types of data is XML defined by schemas within WSDL file or by an imported XSD file. Here the main flow for the API manages these functions, exposes API using anypoint connector for HTTP connector, routes requests between interface and backend flows based on the HTTP request, accept requests and send and facilitate communication between interfaces and API processes. The main flow consists of HTTP listener, API kit REST or SOAP router components. API kit router is the key message processor that validates the request against the provided definition, enriches messages, for example, by adding default values to the messages, and routes requests to the particular flow. And also router raises error messages if errors occurs while routing, validating, or processing the user request. Backend flows, API kit for REST generate a backend flow for each resource action pairing in the RML file. In the API kit for SOAP generates backend flow for each operation in WSDL. Here you can see SOAP UI interacts with WSDL, and here the main flow. Here the main flow, and here the listener and the router. Here the flow 1, flow 2. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.